In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the screen pump effect in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by opening up your area that you want to put the screen pumps and just split the clip where you want it to start. And then you're going to open up your inspector and click on the zoom diamond. Now, as you can see, if you go back to just the timeline, if you have it set correctly, you'll actually be able to see where the screen pump is on the timeline. But unfortunately, just the way mine is set up, it's just kind of hard to see. Maybe if I move it up, you'll be able to see it. So after that, what you're going to do is open it up once again, go to video, and then what you're going to do is click on the zoom. So you're going to go